Fearless in his highs, Srila Prabhupada would appeal to his followers to assist him in his divine service to humanity. Those illustrious souls who stepped forward to sacrifice their life to help Srila Prabhupada became the dearmost recipients of his priceless blessings. Dear Guru Maharaj, you are one such shining jewel in the necklace of Srila Prabhupada's beloved followers. Renouncing the pleasures of material opulences and prestige, you became one of the pioneers in Srila Prabhupada's mission, including the Mayapur Chandrodaya Mandir and now the Temple of Vedic Planetarium, TOBP. You have rendered your might and see that every brick, every square foot and every square meter of the temple is finished. You are pretty much the spiritual master of the whole Navadvip Dham. One can't think of Sri Mayapur Dham without thinking of you. You have inaugurated many temples around the world too, and I'm sure there will be more to come in future. Dear Guru Maharaj, you have established, expanded and developed the method of preaching, which is the system of Bhakti Vriksha, in assisting Namahatha preaching and giving intensive and personal training to the devotees. Now, most of the devotees practicing it. In some places where there's no temple or no possibility to build a temple, Bhakti Vriksha is being held successfully. Dearest Guru Maharaj, you have been battling poor health for some time now. Even in your illness, you were fixed on Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Srila Prabhupada's mission in preaching. Every time reading your health updates, you made us amazed. You shared your good fortune with the doctors, nurses, patients, and the visitors by engaging and encouraging them to chant the Mahamantra. Guru Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada has mentioned that book distribution is more important than temples and deity worship. As per his instruction, for you to distribute 10,000 big books and 100,000 small books, you have effortlessly distributing them and personally requested your disciples to help you in this mission. Because you know book distribution is the best way to please Srila Prabhupada. Dear Guru Maharaj, your contributions to ISKCON are priceless. Your glories are unlimited. Not for nothing did Srila Prabhupada give you the name Jayapataka, the victory flag, which signifying the victory of Lord Chaitanya's Sankirtan movement. Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. May Srila Prabhupada's victory flag always fly above the sky. I bow down to the beautiful lotus feet of yours, by whose causeless mercy I have obtained the supreme holy name, the divine Mahamantra.
Samsara